Okay, so do you have anything that you want to double check first?
I don't think so.
Okay, you don't think so? Okay, then can you see it on the Jamboard yet? If cannot, it's okay. Um, it's okay. So can you take a look at question 4?
Okay, wait a second. Let me get my book. Okay, I have my markers.
Okay. So you can mark it according to how I mark it. But can you take a look at question 4 as well and double check it?
I can't really see it because it hasn't loaded yet.
Never mind, take a look at question 4 on your paper.
Is my drawing wrong?
Your drawing, um, do you think it's wrong? Can you check it? Is it wrong?
I don't think it's wrong.
Okay, then anything else you can check?
No,
No, nothing else?
I don't think so.
Okay, so if the drawing is not wrong and you counted the slices, are the slices correct already?
Oh, one has 11 slices.
11?
The third one has 11 slices.
I think it only has 8, right? 1, 2, 4. How many slices altogether if you count it?
For one whole,
No, all together. All the shaded ones.
40.
40? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are we looking at the correct one? Oh, no, no, no. Look at question 4. It's under question 1.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was the four down.
No, 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 no. Number 4. You just missed out the number because it didn't print, I think.
Okay.
Uh, um, okay, so you double check already? Anything else?
The drawing is correct.
Okay. What else can you check?
Oh, the answer is wrong.
which which answer?
The bottom.
The
The denominator is supposed to be 2.
Right. So what happened there?
I forgot to divide one more time.
Oh, okay. Okay, so since you are dividing it by 2, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, since you are dividing it by 2, this is actually a very good way. So, because you can double check it in a very good method, right? So, what you can do is, since you are going to divide it by 2 already, then after you get your answer, right, you can divide it by the final number that you put there. Do you understand?
I don't really understand.
Okay, yeah, I'm not really wording it correctly. Okay, so if you divide it by 2 and then you divide it by 2, you get the answer, right? So in this case, you got 5 over 4 because you forgot to divide it the second time, correct?
Yeah.
Right. So since you have the workings here, you didn't put divide by 2, divide by 2. You put divide by 4 straight away, right?
Yeah.
So what you can do is you double check by dividing it again. When you are doing all your work, English, math, science, any subject, you have to always double check your answer. The thing is, how do you double check your answer, right? You have to think of a method to double check it, right? So in this topic, it's very easy for you to double check it because you have a method here already. So if you put divide by 4, then when you're double checking it, you just divide the number by 4. So if you divide 8 divide by 4, and then you see here your answer was 4, right? But that's not correct, right? So what do? You can recheck your working and then see whether you miss out anything. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a way that you can double check your answers, right? So maybe you, is there anything for you to try out? No, there's none for you to try out, but next time make sure to double check it this way. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, can you repeat it to me?
So you say don't like if you divide it by 4, like also, like what I mean is divide by 2 and then divide it by 2 again, and then after that then I forgot to do divide it by 2 one more time for the bottom one.
Right, but how do you double check it?
uh right uh I forgot.
Okay, so what you wrote, yeah, what you wrote when you are simplifying it, you put divide by 4, right? So you already multiply 2 times 2 because you simplified it twice with the number 2, right? So the best way for you to double check it, right, is you can, what you have written there, you double check it just using that number. That means instead of 20, so you did 20 divide by 2 divide by 2, then you get your answer and then you write it down, right? And then your workings, you put 2 multiply by how many times you divided it by 2 by, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you can do is then once you have written all of this down, you double check it by checking what is 20 divided by 4 and then what is 8 divided by 4. So from there you can see whether your answer is correct or not. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me how you can double check your work?
So, like example, the fourth one is 20 out of 8 divided by 4 to equal to 5 out of 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, we take the 5 divided by 2 and then we times it by 4 to see if it's the original answer or not.
Yep, very good. Okay, yep. So every time you want to check your maths work, right, what you can just do is just do the opposite, like what you said, right? So if you divided the answer, then what you can do is you multiply it back. And if it's wrong, then you know that your answer has something wrong there. Okay? Okay, now can you check number 9 as well?
It's 5 out of 2.
How do you get that?
Divided by 3.
Correct, very good. So how come you missed it?
I don't know.
Did you check 2, 3, 4? Not 4. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7. Did you check?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just you missed it. Okay, never mind. So remember, so when you are marking, make sure to use a red pen to mark it and then use a blue pen to do your corrections, okay? So that when you're revising, you know what to focus on.